How to connect LinkedIn to Apollo. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your LinkedIn account to apollo.io. Here's a quick and updated guide on how to connect LinkedIn to apollo.io. Step 1. Install the Apollo Chrome extension. Go to the Apollo Chrome extension page. Click Add to Chrome and then Add extension. Once installed, pin the extension to your browser toolbar for easy access. Step 2. Log into Apollo. Visit apollo.io and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up using your work email. Step 3. Open LinkedIn and start prospecting. Go to LinkedIn and search for leads, people or companies. Click on a profile, then you will see the Apollo extension open in the sidebar on the right. Apollo will show available data like email, job title, phone number, and more. Click Add to Apollo to push the contacts direct to your CRM list. If needed, unlock verified emails with your credits. Optional: sync Apollo with your CRM. Go to Apollo, Settings, Integrations, connect to CRM and enable AutoSync for a seamless lead flow. Important notes: LinkedIn doesn't officially support third-party scrapers, so use the extension wisely and stay within the Apollo's usage limits. You must be logged into both Apollo and LinkedIn for the sidebar to appear. If Apollo doesn't show on LinkedIn, try refreshing the page or clear your cache. And that's it. Now you know how to connect LinkedIn account to apollo.io. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.